Okay, I will be utilizing this time to talk about assistive technology that I use in my everyday life. So first we have a dog leash, which is a low tech device due to it being a very low cost. So for me personally, I would classify this under daily living. However, I do recognize that individuals with disabilities that may have a service animal may classify under that category instead. So the need for this device is to be able to control the animal and also promote its safety in community settings. As you can see from the photo, I was actually able to make my own modifications to the device by creating knots to control the length of the leash. So as we progress or regress through training with my puppy, I'm able to change the length of the leash to either make it shorter or longer. Next, we have contact lenses. Very, very critical assistive technology for me. I classified it as a mid-tech device since I know all too well that it is not no to low cost. So these would be classified under visual impairment as the need is to correct vision. Finally, we have the Amazon Alexa, which I classified as a high-tech device due to its cost and advanced capabilities. So for me personally, I would classify this under leisure and recreation. However, I do recognize that for a lot of individuals, this might fit better under environmental control due to Alexa's capabilities to sync with other devices such as smart outlets or smart plugs and smart light bulbs to allow someone that perhaps has limited mobility or limited fine motor skills to have more control over the appliances in their home. So for me personally, I use this device to listen to the weather report for the day or week so I can plan adequately while I'm getting ready or listen to my music. And like I said before, a lot of other individuals may use these devices to control other devices. And the real benefit here is that only your voice is required to control these devices. So like I said before, someone that may have physical disabilities may find a lot of benefit to this device.